It's a super day at Pritchardville Elementary School as students and teachers dress up as their favorite superheroes.
I dressed up as Spider-Girl because I have a bunch of capes and I really like watching Spider-Man and all the other spider people. I love dressing up like a superhero. I am the Pink Power Ranger.
The school encouraged educators and students to dress up as a way to stay positive during these times.
With so much going on right now, they get really excited about things like this, and they love seeing their friends dress up, and they were just playing at recess and they were doing all their superpowers, and it was really fun to see the kids having a good time with it.
We're all superheroes. We're trying to manage the pandemic, but we're also trying to be true to our culture and get some of the fun things back that our students enjoy doing.
Teachers from each grade level joined forces, dressing up in fun themes.
Our fourth grade team dressed up as community superheroes. We wanted to, each of us, I am a nurse, Ms. Conley's a doctor, Ms. Shannon's a firefighter, there's teachers, grocery store helpers, and we wanted to dress up to really show the community that even during these crazy times, we're always here and we're superpowers and we go above and beyond every single day.
All of the second grade teachers, we are Wonder Teachers because we're all wonderful. So we all dressed up as Wonder Women.
Thursday, the B-Day students will come to school dressed as their favorite superheroes. Students learning virtually were also asked to dress up today or on Thursday. At Pritchardville Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.